Hey there, Jasmine with WTI. If you're looking for some solar lights that will light up your walkway and bring a little happiness and joy to your landscape beds, then I have to share with you DURPAR's solar-powered firefly lights. Let me show you how easy these are to maintain and install for your garden space. DURPAR has several options to choose from. There are only two parts to the light, and those simply come together and the lights are ready to install. It's a very simple design. Click the cell to the on setting and it will be ready to absorb the sun. The solar cell is adjustable so you can optimize your sun intake once the light is installed. Choose the location best for your light and push the stake into the ground. You can choose the height that you want it at and then enjoy your lights on the very first night they are installed. My favorite thing about these lights is how they blend right into my plants. And I love how bright and powerful they are at night. They add great curb appeal and are a perfect gift for the gardener in your life. I think I found the happiest and easiest lights to install in your garden space this season, but that's just my point of view.